Join me as I tackle the challenge of capturing stunning portraits using only natural light. Let us see if I can create some magic without any fancy gear. Natural light, to me, is one of the most beautiful and free tools we have as photographers. Imagine being able to create stunning portraits without spending a fortune on studio lights or complicated equipment. The results can be truly breathtaking, with soft, warm tones that add depth and emotion to your photos. I've always been fascinated by how natural light can transform a simple portrait into a work of art. One of the biggest challenges I face when shooting with natural light is dealing with harsh shadows. You know, those unflattering dark areas that can make your subject look uneven or even scary. Another issue is unflattering colors, as sometimes the light can make your subject's skin tone look unnatural or overly orange. And let's not forget about mixed lighting, where natural and artificial light clash, creating an unpleasant visual effect. I've lost count of how many times I've struggled with these issues, but over time, I've learned some tricks to overcome them. Finding the right location is key to capturing beautiful natural light. I love shooting near windows or outside during the golden hour, when the light is soft and warm. Using reflectors or diffusers can also help modify the light and reduce harsh shadows. For example, a simple reflector can bounce light onto your subject's face, filling in any dark areas. I've also experimented with shooting through trees or other natural obstacles to create a more interesting, filtered light. One game-changing tip that has dramatically improved my natural light portraits is understanding the power of angles. By experimenting with different shooting angles, you can create a range of effects, from soft and subtle to dramatic and moody. Backlighting, in particular, can add a beautiful rim of light around your subject, separating them from the background. I've also learned to pay attention to the light's direction and intensity, as this can greatly impact the mood and atmosphere of your portraits. To sum it up, capturing stunning portraits with natural light is all about understanding the light, being flexible, and experimenting with different techniques. By finding the right location, time of day, and using simple tools like reflectors, you can create beautiful, high-quality portraits without breaking the bank. Give these tips a try and see the difference for yourself. If you've had any experiences with natural light photography, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more portrait photography tips, be sure to check out my next video on capturing amazing indoor portraits. It is packed with even more helpful advice and techniques.